Bagels. Remember bagels?
I didn't forget about bagels.
How could you? Hey everybody, it's Midnight Weekend.
Hi.
How's it going?
Do you remember the first time you had a bagel?
No.
Growing up in Michigan, I didn't have a lot of bagel shops. So all the bagels that we ate came from grocery stores.
I think bagels have like transcended, their origins, right? All of New York has claimed the bagel.
Even though bagels have been around for a god-awful long time, it wasn't really popular in North America until the 1960s when this trio started distributing frozen bagels.
That doesn't sound appealing at all. The best bagels come from the guys that small batch make it in their little mom and pop shop.
Well, you can say that because of them, bagels have become more popular, and so therefore it inspired these smaller shops to open up their
You can't hate on it.
Bagel shops.
It's full circle, and they're sprouting up every which area. Yeah, there's actually a lot of like bagel and pizza shops around LA that are like, we get our water from New York.
Yeah.
We get what's in the water in New York?
New York City's tap water comes from three main sources outside of the city: the Delaware, Catskill, and Croton watersheds. These watersheds have limited limestone and a natural pH balance of 7.2, as close as it gets to a pure water pH balance of 7.
Wow, I learned something new today. We got some of LA's finest bagels.
Yes, we did. And make sure you guys watch till the end because we're gonna be perfecting that lazy bagel witch by shoving a hot dog in a bagel. Bruh. We're gonna try them right now.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime.
First up, we got Belle's Bagels. Belle's Bagels is located in Highland Park. It was a cute little storefront shop. It's just a walk-up window. You pick it up and you leave and be on your merry way.
It looks great. I don't know what to say other than,
hey, lots of poppies.
Every time I have a thumb full of poppies pop off, I'm just like, wham.
Poppies pop off.
Okay, it's everywhere. It's fine. I don't care. Oh yeah. You know what makes a bagel delicious sometimes? Most times? It's gotta be the cream cheese.
Bong, bong. That is a good bagel.
Perfect amount of chew and it tastes really fresh. I don't like bagels that are too hard or dense, right?
Yeah. There's something special about this bagel, and I don't know if it's the bagel itself or the poppies, but I'm getting kind of a smoky flavor. This is freaking delicious. It's a freaking mess.
All right, next up, folks, we got Brooklyn Bagel Bakery. Deep in the core of LA. Should we just do all poppies?
No, that's insane.
That's stupid. Gotcha.
I want to taste the rainbow.
Well, I have a weird one for you.
You do?
And I don't know how this will go.
Is that
That is
frosting?
A salt bagel.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy crap, I thought this was frosting.
It's like a salt bake. It's like a...
It is like a salt bake.
It's like a fish in there.
Let's try it out.
I don't know what it's gonna taste like. It seems like it's gonna be too salty.
It looks like it's trying to preserve something.
Right? I'm a little scared of how much salt it looks to have. I almost wanna rub a little off. I'm scared. Is that dumb?
Leave it as is for now.
I think it's just gonna be an extra salty bagel. No, what'd you, why? No, why? Why would you do that?
I need to
explain. Someone, I'm gonna try it after I scrape it. I don't understand it. Why? That's weird.
Yeah.
The salt bagel is a All right, kids, we're gonna try it one more time. We're gonna have now the pizza bagel.
Oh, that looks much better.
Okay, I'll taste the pizza.
I taste the pizza too.
Let's talk about the dough.
It's a thinner bagel than Belle's.
But after eating Belle's, I don't think this really compares. We gave them a benefit of the doubt. If you're averaging out, or even not counting that salt bagel, it's not like coming close. I'll still eat it. I'm obviously still eating it.
Well, we're eating it, why? Because of the cheese.
I've had pizza, like cheesy bagels at Vaughn's that are like...
better. Ouch.
All right, that was, all right, moving on.
Next up, we got Pop's Bagel from Culver City. Let's try the everything bagel.
Okay.
We haven't had that yet.
All right, let's do it. It looks pretty good though.
It does.
It looks pretty good.
They made sure that you weren't screwed if you're getting the bottom.
I appreciate that.
The shape is also unique too. It's not like a traditional hole in the middle.
The lazier method is just to poke a hole through the dough.
Yeah.
I think it's just like rolling it and then like joining it at the end. That's why there's a sort of braid looking thing. That poppy bagel we had,
Yeah.
just everywhere. These ingredients are a little more adhesive.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's the garlic.
Feels more like a grocery store bagel.
Cheers.
Sure.
This is a dense bagel.
Oh no, I need a drink. I'm gonna get a hiccup soon. I like the flavors.
I'm definitely tasting the garlic. This is a meal.
The distribution of toppings is pretty spot on, but I would say texture-wise, it's a little more along the lines of like kind of your takeaway bagel and not your like bakery bagel.
What's next?
And next up, we got Maurys. Maurys in Silver Lake.
Maurys, the talk show?
Sure. We have one onion and one
What'd you get?
za'atar. Which one do you want?
Let's try the za'atar.
Za'atar spice. Oh my god.
Whoa.
It's green.
Wow. It looks like herbe de Provence. What does it smell like?
Herbe de Provence.
Whoa.
Yeah, but you know what? It smells salty. I'm a little scared. I was actually looking for the weirdest bagels from every shop that we went to, and this definitely stood out as their defining signature bagel.
It is also the name of a spice mixture that includes the herb along with toasted sesame seeds, dried sumac, often salt, as well as other spices.
Let's do this.
Right away, this feels much fluffier.
That's good. I like fluffy.
The fragrances of the herbs just hit your nose even before you start tasting anything. It tastes like a pasta.
You mean pesto?
What kind of? This is brilliant.
I wonder what this would taste like toasted. This is the most unique bagel we've had so far. I mean, aside from that salt bagel, but I wouldn't call that unique in a good way. Screw that salt bagel.
It was so
that
bad.
salt bagel needs to go to hell. I'm sorry.
It did you wrong.
But did you wrong too? I don't like that. 3, 2, 1. Bells! Oh, Bells!
Bells!
Yeah,
Bells!
Bells!
I thought you were gonna
Bells
choose
is
this one.
Yeah, Maurys is good. Maurys is runner up.
Belle's Bagels was just really good in the sense that it was nice and fluffy on the
It was
inside,
fluffers.
had a nice like crunchy, hard shell on the outside so that you get that textural difference.
Looks like we're gonna have to take a Bell's bagel and defile it with a hot dog. Perfecting the BAGELWICH. Let's do this.
Defiles. Sounds very sexual.
I know. Ooh, bacon wrapped hot dogs. That's the wiener mummy.
There's 2 bacons on each hot dog. Wow, so luxurious. Sizzle, sizzle.
Ooh,
Can you guys smell that?
I can. Oh, it's dripping wet. Cacio y Pepe.
Bagel top. Oh, gutting it. Oh, and save those for later. That's like horseshoe bend.
Horseshoe bend.
Sprinkle a lot of cheese. Ooh, avo kimchi.
Nice color.
Oh, we're snipping the wiener already.
And we're snipping the wiener. Oh, it fits so good.
What a
Doesn't-
perfect cavity.
Oh, there it is. Done. Cheese stuffed hot dog, bacon wrap, BAGELWICH.
With kimchi.
Let's do this.
So we dug out all the insides, and instead of wasting it, we decided to pan fry it with its own hot dog and bacon fat, sprinkled more cheese on top, and made these lovely croutons.
These are so good, man. What are these comparable to?
A little bit of like mochi.
Because of the chewy yeastiness,
Yeah.
it makes a really good
But the
thing.
outside is extra crunchy.
It is.
Look at that hot dog just perfectly nestled into that bagel.
It's got like a nice cavity. Mmm.
Really?
Mmm.
Did we do it? Did we? Oh, look at that kimchi juice squirting out.
Get all the layers.
Holy cow.
That's a BAGELWICH, guys. If you leave all that bagel dough in the BAGELWICH, I feel like the ratio is always wrong. This is just right.
This is a great invention.
If you can't get to Belle's, go to your local bagel bakery, get one of those nice fluffy bagels, gut it, make a little side dish out of those guts.
I think we just created a new dish. What should we call this?
The InnerTube.
The InnerTube. That's cute.
Do you like this?
It's a success. Yeah.
So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this
Delicious episode.
mishmash of thoughts about bagels in LA. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. If you didn't, please like and comment.
Hey,
Otherwise,
that's a trick. Bye. It stopped recording. We're gonna have to use what we have.
Oh, what if we do this? Okay. Is my head in there?
Yes, now it is.
Bye.